The only little good things you do, they make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come.
Hello and welcome to the Kid in the City. I am Jonte. If this is your first time, welcome to my channel. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and follow me on all socials at the Kid in the City. If this is not your first time, welcome back. You already know we are getting into another product review, another first impression, and we are figuring out, is orange blush brown girl friendly or not? Brown girl friend, brown girl foe. Okay, we're getting into two new blushes from Juvia's Place. I'm super excited about this. A new liquid blush and a new powder blush. And if you have seen my other videos, you know I have quite a few blushes of Juvia's Place, both liquid and powder. So we're getting into some new shades. We're going to, you know, we're going to see what the orange blush is doing for the girls and get my honest opinion on the products. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to see what I got to say about these, stay tuned. We're jumping right into it. Okay, we are back. At this point, I feel like damn near my whole makeup vanity is being overrun by Juvia's Place, which I'm not mad at, you know, because I keep buying stuff because the things that I buy are so good. So I'm not even mad at the fact that I'm continuing to buy Juvia's Place at this point. Yeah, Juvia's Place, let's talk. Let's talk if you want to talk. But we are getting into a new blush. So a few videos ago, I was telling y'all that my friend Darby was telling me that I needed to try like orange blush because my blushes have been very pink, very red. But she was just telling me like, girl, you should try orange blush. You should try orange blush. And I was just like, I don't know. But we're gonna try orange blush. So I'm super excited about this blush stack. This is gonna be, it's gonna be two products, right? So it's gonna be the Juvia's Place liquid blush in the shade Coral Rose. And then it's also gonna be the Juvia's Place blushed Rougie volume 1 palette. Now if you've watched my other videos, I have 3 other Rougie palettes for her blush. So I'm also super excited about this because again, like, oh, and I also have 2 of her liquid blushes. I have Pink Lady and Blush Lily, and then I have 3 of the powder blush palettes. So again, I'm super excited to get into this. So we're gonna start with Coral Rose. So let's get into her. Let's give her her moment. Okay, so this is Coral Rose. It is like a burnt orange kind of. Yeah, I'm actually really excited about this. You know, I always trust the girlies, and if I'm not gonna trust nobody else, I'm definitely gonna trust the girlies that I personally know. You get what I'm saying? So when Darby was telling me to try the orange blush, I was like, sis, say less. I think I went to Ulta. When I first went to Ulta, they didn't have the blush. They had like the tester, but they didn't have like the actual one that I could buy. So I did have to end up ordering it offline. But yeah, as soon as Darby told me to try it, baby, I went went right to Ulta. Didn't waste not a bit of time. Huh? Okay, period. Okay. I'm so sorry. I get so ridiculous with new stuff. Anyway, so we're just gonna put this like right damn near like by the eye, right? It's not gonna be too crazy, but we're just gonna go right here. I think I just want to start with that much, just that much to start off, because again, we know Juvia has the pigment, but I haven't tried this product yet, so I'm gonna take baby steps. And then with a clean sponge, I'm just going with the bottom side. I'm just gonna put that right there. Okay, I'm gonna need a little bit more. I'm gonna need a little more. Let's just go in. Like, let's just, why not? Let's just go in, you know? Let's just really go there. If we're gonna go there, let's go there. And I'm literally putting that right on top of that contour. Do y'all see that? Okay, let's do the other side before I decide if I want more or not. Let's do the other side. This is definitely giving like sun-kissed for sure. I definitely get coral vibes. I'm just gonna, because I'm a crazy person, I'm gonna just add a little bit more. And again, like, build, right? Like, why not? And I'm not gonna go too crazy with the liquid because I am gonna go in with the powder blush as well. But this is absolutely beautiful. And I'm almost bringing it, I'm really bringing it like right under my eye. And then just like right onto the side of the temple. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Baby! Juvia, can we just really like just talk? Like, I know y'all be seeing my videos. I tag y'all in every freaking blush video, lip video. Let's do something. Let's make something shake. Let's make something shake, baby. Let's make something shake. Let's make something shake, Juvia. Help me, help you, help me, help you, help me, help you, help me. Everything I buy from Juvia's Place is fire. Everything I buy, I love. Let's work together. Okay. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. But like, do we see? Okay, move on. Now I'm gonna come back because I do have the powder blush that we're gonna get into next. But for right now, I'm just gonna continue with the glam and then we'll be back with the powder palette and then we'll go forward. Okay, so I'm really excited for the second step of this blush stack. So we're going in with the Juvia's Place Blushed Rougie Volume 1 palette. Let's get into how beautiful this is. Let it focus. Hey! What? Oh, now. This, I for sure feel like I want to do a mix of the two. So I have my brush, a nice fluffy. So I really think I want to do, a mix of the two. That's what I'm feeling, you know, that's what I'm feeling. Ah, I'm scared. I'm scared. Because I definitely get the sun-kissed vibe, you know what I'm saying? So I definitely want to use that orange, but it's something about this little burgundy color that is really drawing me in. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the orange first, and I'm going to see how I feel about the orange. So this is the orange. Let me see how I feel about it. Okay, here we go. Oh, okay. So okay. Oh, hold on now. I literally feel like I'm about to like lift out of my body. I don't even think I need that burgundy. I think this orange is so freaking beautiful. I don't even need that burgundy. I was gonna mix, but I don't think I want to. Wow. The orange is like insanity. And I'm low-key just gonna bring it like right under the eye. You see that? Oh my gosh. It's almost like not fair. It's almost not fair. It's fair because I have it and I'm wearing it and I'm using it and it's on my skin and it looks amazing, but it's not fair because like how good it is, you know what I'm saying? You know? For me to be such a pink blush girly, I have to say the orange blush may be taking it for me because this is stunning. This is absolutely stunning. This is beautiful. Oh my God. I feel like I can't put enough on my face. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like I literally cannot put enough of this on my face. Gooped, gagged. Wow. Like, I am gagged. This looks so good. The man that I miss, I'm gonna go see him tonight and I'm gonna be like I'm gonna be like, oh, just, you know, just a regular Friday night. I'm not gonna get ahead of myself, even though I really could. I could get ahead of myself. I should get ahead of myself, but I'm not. You know what I'm saying? I'm not. We're gonna move it along. I'm definitely about to be back with my final review and my first impression for these two fools. Yeah, it's coming up. I'm gonna finish the glam. I'm gonna finish the glam and I'm gonna be back and I got some things to say about this. Okay, we are here with the final look and my first impression of the Juvia's Place liquid blush in the shade Coral Rose and the blushed Rougie Volume 1 palette. I'm gonna start with the liquid blush. The liquid blush, it is such a nice base. Of course, we all know that Juvia's Place is definitely gonna give you the pigment, so that's no different. What I really like about this blush is even like before I put on the powder blush, when I did my second layer of concealer, when I did like my pressed powder and my bakes, that liquid blush was still coming through. It was such a good base that when I finally got to the powder blush, it just was like the cherry on top. I feel like sometimes, and maybe this is using more pinks, the pinks get a little muted a little bit more than that orange did. So I feel like the orange still popped even when the other powders and stuff were on top of it before I did the powder blush. So definite shout out to this. This is so pretty. Now, when I got to the powder blush, I thought I was gonna mix both of these colors. Like I thought I was gonna do a little of this like burgundy and then a little of the orange. No baby, I didn't even get there because the orange is so beautiful. Like the orange is so pretty by itself. I didn't even want to put that the other, I didn't even want to go in with this shade. This shade alone was so beautiful. I just had to like, okay, nothing, like, you know when something is so good you don't want to touch it, like I'm just leave it. That's exactly how it was. These two together, this blush stack, 10 out of 10. Is orange blush brown girl friendly? Hell yes. And shout out again to my friend Darby. She is on YouTube as Malibu Darby. Shout out to her for telling me to try orange blush because I have really been in my pink blush era. Like I said, I have 3 of the other palettes. I have 2 pink liquid blushes from Juvia's Place, and I just never saw myself going into orange blush. But she was like, Jonte, just give it a try. It's just gonna give you this glowy sun-kissed look, and she did not lie. You got to listen to the girlies. You got to listen to the girlies because they know what they're talking about. This orange blush stack is a fool. It is 110% brown girl friendly, 120% worth the money. The price point, the pigment, the product, 10 out of 10. I have no notes. I have no notes. I am gooped. I am gagged. I am all the things. I have no notes. Perfection. Perfection. 10 out of 10. Ew. That is basically it. Another review. Of course, I'm going to link the full glam look right here. So if you do want to go and see the full glam for this look, and the, you know, the eyeshadow detail and all that good stuff, that'll be linked and you can watch that there. But if you stuck around, I do appreciate it. I love trying new products and doing these reviews. I really like it. I'm really getting into it. But that's about it. Thank you so much for tuning in if you have made it this far. And do not forget to follow me on all socials at The Kid in the City. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to be here with the kid. And for that, I thank you. Until next time, bye.